Now you can call it Car Wars, the luxury edition. Swanky car makers have boosted their incentives to among the highest levels in a decade. Bloomberg's Greg Miles has been kicking the tires, luxury tires mind you, and has our story.
Luxury car enthusiasts can now speed along the highway in their favorite model by buying at discounts unheard of a decade ago.
It wasn't common 10 years ago for luxury makers to give out incentives, big or small. Obviously, the market's changed a lot over the past decade, and there's a lot more luxury cars than ever before. So I think there's a lot more competition, which really started the need for incentives.
Car makers such as Lexus, BMW, Porsche, and Mercedes-Benz have sharply accelerated their incentives in the past 5 years, tripling, for example, to an average of $4,770 per car for Mercedes models sold in the U.S., according to Edmunds.com. The incentives are offered for both 2009 and 2010 models, but right now, dealers are throwing the most money at luxury consumers who are especially snobby when it comes to buying last year's models, the class of 2009.
They always want the latest and greatest. They may not be willing to buy the old model. They want the new model. So the luxury makers really have to be generous with these incentives.
The result, champagne glass popping incentives on 2009 models. $13,000 cash on a $65,000 Mercedes CLK convertible. That's equal to a 20% discount. They also get $7,500 in cash for an $80,000 BMW 7 Series, $6,000 for a $40,000 Audi Quattro, and $10,000 for an $86,000 Cadillac XLR sports car. So even rich people have their price. Greg Miles, Bloomberg News.